Amazon OpenSearch Serverless now offers improved access control management for data operations. You can use Attribute-Based Access Control, ABAC, for data plane APIs to define permissions using IAM identity policies. This allows you to control access to OpenSearch serverless collections more efficiently. Additionally, Resource Control Policy, RCP, support enables you to implement organization-wide preventative controls centrally through AWS organizations. You can manage access across your organization without updating individual resource-based policies, streamlining security management for OpenSearch serverless resources. Organizations need granular control over external resources in Amazon Q Developer. This new feature allows administrators to manage Model Context Protocol, MCP, servers directly from the AWS console. You can now enable or disable MCP functionality for all Q Developer clients in your organization. This prevents users from adding unauthorized MCP servers and initializing previously defined ones when disabled. Q Developer applies these admin settings at the start of each session and every 24 hours during runtime. The feature supports the Amazon Q Developer CLI and all plugins including VS Code, JetBrains, Visual Studio, and Eclipse. Contact centers often struggle to provide natural-sounding automated voice interactions. Amazon Connect now offers generative text-to-speech voices to address this challenge. You can access 20 different voices across multiple languages, configure them easily using the Flow Designer or APIs, and use them for various customer interactions. These voices are available in select AWS regions and can be included in unlimited AI pricing or priced individually, giving you flexibility in implementation and cost management for your cloud-based contact center solutions. EC2 Mac instances face challenges with manual intervention during hardware issues and maintenance events, potentially causing disruptions to Mac OS workloads. To address this, AWS has introduced host recovery and reboot-based host maintenance features. You can now enable automatic host recovery to detect and migrate instances from problematic hardware. You can also implement reboot-based host maintenance to automate instance restarts during scheduled events. These capabilities minimize disruption to your macOS workloads by improving uptime and reducing manual oversight. The features are accessible across all EC2 Mac instance families, including both Intel and Apple Silicon platforms, in all regions supporting EC2 Mac instances. Managing S3 tables resources across multiple AWS accounts can be complex. This update enhances AWS CloudFormation and CDK support for S3 tables, allowing you to create tables and namespaces as infrastructure as code. You can now use CloudFormation and CDK to manage S3 tables resources, deploy them consistently across accounts, and maintain version control of configurations. This simplifies the creation, update, and management of S3 tables resources, improving workflow efficiency for developers working with S3 tables across multiple AWS environments. Organizations often struggle to meet business continuity and compliance requirements when using AWS local zones. The new Amazon EBS Snapshot Copy feature addresses this by allowing you to copy EBS snapshots from local zones to AWS regions or other local zones. You can copy snapshots to enable disaster recovery and data migration across multiple locations. This helps meet compliance requirements for data storage and backup. The feature is accessible through the AWS console, CLI, and SDKs, providing flexible integration options for your existing workflows and applications. AWS introduces new M8i and M8i Flex instances to address the need for improved performance and efficiency in general-purpose computing. These instances use custom Intel Xeon 6 processors to deliver enhanced capabilities. You can utilize these processors to achieve better performance across various workloads. The improved price-performance ratio allows you to optimize costs while maintaining high performance. With increased memory bandwidth, you can handle memory-intensive applications more effectively. The range of instance sizes, including bare metal options, enables you to select the most appropriate configuration for your specific workload requirements.